Goya is a rich Spanish company with cultural heritage and reach in the market since the past 80 years. We've been serving the Latino community all across the United States. We have about 2,200 different SKUs catering to many different cultures in the Hispanic community across the country. Goya has been an integral part of Hispanic cooking since generations, which would mean that we maintain that consistent quality in our products as well. We have about 12 distribution centers across the country, and we have multiple canning facilities and manufacturing facilities. We have manufacturing and distribution facilities spread across Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, United States, and Spain. Just to give an example of how much we are dependent on our WMS systems. WMS is what we call in Goya a mission critical system. We are heavily dependent on the WMS systems for all of our inventory requirements, our pick, pack, and ship, our order fulfillments. WMS is one of the core systems that we have, and I would go on to say our business operations wouldn't run on a smooth basis if not for WMS. Now, one thing that the pandemic taught us is people wanted to stock up on rice, beans, and coconut water and all the canned products that Goya has, which had a huge impact on our supply chain as well. Something which would be a 3-month supply would last us for a month during pandemic, and people buying in cases. So we had to make sure our supply chain is robust and our raw materials are getting in time to our factories, our forecasting is happening, our demand planning is happening at the right moment, and we are able to fulfill from a warehouse management and a transportation management standpoint. We are able to pick, pack, and ship this increased load or increased capacity that we are now looking forward towards. From a overall supply chain perspective, we wanted to make sure we give the best, and Manhattan has been helping us with taking up the load of whatever it is that we throw at it. I mean, we had designed the system for X, now we're getting it X plus Y, but Manhattan systems are handling it like a champ. We started off with TP, as they call it, the transportation procurement, where we were accepting bids from the different vendors, etc. So we utilized TMS for the same. All of our shipment creation, our cost calculations and distributions, and making sure we track of where our shipments are at what location and what is the AOCs for the same, etc. So we utilized TMS on a day-to-day basis and ensuring our shipments are at the right time, at the right phase, and after that the right POs are getting paid for and the right vendors are getting paid for. So we follow the entire circle in the TMS system as well. I would actually say that Goya Foods has been very lucky in the way in which we've been working with Manhattan. We believe in people. I mean, our company is surrounded around people, happiness, and the family culture, right? When we started off with Manhattan, one of the main things that we found with our the sales team, the project team, the implementation, the PSO team, they all worked with Goya like it is their own company. It's never been, I've done my work, I'm moving on to the next from a Manhattan standpoint. They have been with us through the process. So it's not just handing off work or to somebody else or another consultant and moving around. That is what we really like about Manhattan. So they are with us through every step and make sure we are fine with the process. That's been a good journey with Manhattan.